Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at whether or not you can claim for a slip, trip or fall on council property. Offering advice on some of the things that you can do which should only help to strengthen your claim, along with some information on how you can speak to someone from a law firm completely free of charge in order to see what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim for compensation. Slips, trips and falls can lead to injuries that have the potential to have a life-changing impact on a victim's well-being. And if you've been the victim of a slip, trip or fall on council property due to the negligence of those who are responsible for maintaining a safe space, then you may be entitled to compensation. Now, regardless of what your mate down the pub thinks, we highly recommend that you seek the advice of a personal injury claim specialist to handle your claim, and I'll shortly be explaining how you can speak to someone from a law firm without having to pay a single penny. But first, in order for your claim to be successful, you must be able to demonstrate that your accident was down to the negligence of others. So I'm going to go over a couple of things that you can do which should only help to strengthen your claim. Photographs. Take photographs at the scene of the accident and, if possible, what it was that specifically caused your accident. Witnesses. Get the contact details of any witnesses to the accident, as a statement may need to be taken from them at a later date. Accident report. If the accident happened inside a council building, ensure that an accident report is completed in the accident report book. Check this over at the time to ensure that all of the information is correct and no vital details have been omitted. Medical assessment. In order to aid your recovery, you should have your injuries assessed by a medical professional. Make a note of when this assessment took place, as this will make it much easier to get hold of records at a later date. Expenses. Finally, keep track of any expenses that you've had to incur as a result of your accident. This can include medical costs, travel costs, care costs, the cost of any personal items damaged in the accident, as well as any loss of earnings or potential future earnings, as all of these may be able to be claimed back. Now, if you'd like to speak to someone from a law firm without having to pay a single penny, you can contact legalexpert.co.uk on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service on our website. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we'll do all we can to help you establish what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim for compensation against the council for a slip, trip or fall. Now, here's some of the types of questions that you should be prepared to answer in order to make the most out of this session. Where, when and how was the accident caused, and why did the accident occur? What happened leading up to the incident and afterwards? Were you alone? Were there any witnesses? Do you feel you're at all responsible for the accident occurring? Did the council do anything / fail to do anything which may have been a contributing factor to the accident? What was the extent of your injuries that were caused by the accident? Has your work or income suffered because you've been restricted by the injuries caused by the accident? Has anybody else had to care for you? Are you experiencing any long-term health problems because of the severity of your injuries? Now, if we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis with your claim. This means that you don't have to worry about any upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.